I'm Dr. Linda Gromko, and this is Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Today's topic is Gender Terminology 101. I have been working with the transgender population for almost 25 years now. I have learned that using the wrong terms can be offensive to people or even really painful to them. So I think it's important to spend a little time on this. What is gender dysphoria? Gender dysphoria is characterized by a long-held and or clear understanding of oneself as being of another gender and feeling distress related to that. In medicine, we treat the dysphoria, not the gender identity itself. At birth, we are all assigned a gender, and that is based on our genital appearance. In this little baby, we really can't tell what assignment to make because the external genitalia are not visible, so we don't know what variety this baby has. It's true that it's the delivering doctor or the midwife who assigns each of us a gender. AMAB means assigned male at birth, and AFAB means assigned female at birth. Now, is it possible for a delivering doctor or a midwife to assign the wrong gender based on the genital appearance? Yes, there are some babies who are born with what are called ambiguous genitalia, where it's really impossible to assign a gender correctly. We also hear the terms cis and trans. Cis from the Latin means on the same side, and trans means on the other side. So here's how this works. If you were assigned male at birth and you identify male, you then are a cisgender male. Your gender assignment and your gender identity are the same. They match. By the same token, if you were assigned female at birth and you identify female, you are cisgender. That's where your gender assignment and your gender identity match. And here's what transgender means. If you were assigned male at birth, AMAB, and identify female, you are a transgender female or trans feminine. If you were assigned female at birth and identify male, you are a trans male or a trans masculine individual. Now, a person can be assigned male or assigned female, but they identify their gender as somewhere between male and female, and those individuals identify as non-binary. So who is it anyway that defines our gender identity? We do. Each of us has our own gender identity, and that is determined by us and only by us. Here's one final term, and that's the term dead name. A person's dead name is what they were called before they transitioned. Trans and gender nonconforming people may take offense when the dead name is used. The same goes for pronouns. It's important to use the pronouns a person uses when they identify their gender. Using the correct name and correct pronouns are signs of respect. And after all, that's what I want to convey when I'm working with an individual. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.